Peace, on with the show. Captain's log star date is the 19th, day number 19 in the month of March, year is 2014. Time right now is 6 minutes after 10 a.m. Pacific Standard. Wednesday, Women Crush Wednesday, same exact day as Operation Unplug. You know the routine if you've been following along for the past, what week are we on now? 14, 15, the past 15 weeks, consistently making use of this new application that helps you to see a little more clearly, or that's how it works for me, and I decided to share with you. So, from 12 o'clock p.m., 12 noon Wednesday Pacific to 12 noon on Thursday Pacific, no internet connection, connect to whatever else is available without the internet connection, and come back at the appropriate time and let the game decide what time that is. So, other than that, I wish you well, and same old story, another victory, and let's continue on with the show. Also, an important note, this Operation Unplug will be coming back in a new season. So I do applaud and congratulate those who have been following and seeing some progress moving in this direction. So may the force continue to be with us. Keep it authentic. One love.